The solid waste processing and carbonisation industry is one of the safest alternatives in the world, having several benefits in social areas such as job creation, as well as less risk to human health and the environment. Carbonisation plants use eco-friendly technology in their simple deployment and operation, and can be installed in small places and are designed to serve small, medium and large-sized cities. Operating privately or through a consortium, this process differs from many others due to its simplicity. After its collection, the waste is deposited in a container called a hopper. This unit has a large storage capacity which enables this industry to run continuously as the waste is gradually released according to the oven's capacity. The hopper is closed with strong metal gates and a system that isolates the garbage smells even inside the processing unit. This way, the smell won't attract the presence of animals such as seagulls, rats, flies, and other insects and creatures. The waste is dumped in the hopper in the same condition that it's been collected. No kind of separation is required. No human touches the waste either after its collection. From the hopper, the waste goes through a conveyor which is also closed, and until it reaches the oven where it's heated to 900 degrees Celsius and where the carbonisation process begins. There is no oxygen inside the oven, therefore there is no waste combustion even at 900 degrees Celsius. Alongside the waste, all leachate is also collected through a gutter mounted on the underside of the hopper, which is also destined for the oven. The collector is located on the top side of the oven, where all gas products generated by the process go through. The gases collected will be channeled by this tube to the distiller. Here, the gases are distilled and turned into liquid. After being liquefied, the resulting product is called pyroligneous extract, a liquid widely used in various industrial processes as well as farming. The tube returning from the distiller goes to the Haltech gas stabilizer, where the gas temperature is reduced to minus 93 degrees Celsius. During this step, all solid particles are separated and only water is released into the atmosphere in vapor form. The solid waste is now already transformed into charcoal and solid products which go through the conveyor to the separator, where it is separated according to the different types of materials contained in the processed trash: aluminium, glass, iron, copper, bronze, sand and rock. These are all automatically separated and directed to the recycling industry. 10% of the coal produced will return to the oven's fire furnace, which serves in continuing the process. This means that the plant is self-sustaining as it produces its own fuel. The remaining 90% can have several destinations. The major is power generation. The power generation module is assembled in the same physical space as the plant and will be coupled at the separator outlet, which will automatically transport the coal required to supply the thermal expansion generator. The gases arising from the coal burning in the thermal expansion generator are also channeled to the distiller and go through the same distillation and pollutant separation process until they are fully transformed and leaving only water vapour. The ashes originated in the coal burning process, both from the oven and the thermal expansion generator, will be collected and pulverised alongside new waste entering the oven, so that the industry eliminates 100% of its own waste generated during the process, leaving no environmental damage that needs to be reprocessed or sent to landfill sites. From the plant, the energy will go through the substation and through the transmission lines where it can be supplied to industry and homes. This Ember Eco Solutions project has been developed in a modular form with units that process from 5 to 20 tonnes per hour and that can be adapted and expanded very simply with a new module coupling and without the need to interrupt the plant's activities. Integrating technology and the environment and always respecting the law and our community. This is Ember Eco Solutions' commitment and our trademark.